All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Jonathan, and I am a PhD student at the Center for Emotional Health at Macquarie University. The poster I'm presenting today is a little side project that I did with my supervisor, Associate Professor Melissa Norberg. Essentially, what we did was we developed a new measure of object attachment, which is, of course, hugely important to understanding hoarding disorder. So because previous measures of object attachment can be flawed in that some of them aren't psychometrically validated, others don't seem to have the best content validity because they seem to include or they dip into other constructs like anthropomorphism. So what we did was we took some previous measures, we revised them with expert feedback, and yeah, we removed those items that reflected other constructs like anthropomorphism, which is, by the way, it's the tendency to see human qualities in objects. And then you can see our process on the left. We ended up with a 25 item pool. We administered it to a large sample and did EFA. And the EFA, or the exploratory factor analysis, suggested two factors. And we interpreted these factors as secure and insecure attachment. And as you can see on the right-hand side, we've got our final scale. So I'm hoping that you all agree that this is secure and insecure attachment. And on the left-hand side, on the bottom left, we've got some preliminary analyses to demonstrate its validity and reliability. So we found that both subscales of the measure significantly correlated with hoarding symptoms, and the insecure attachment scale had a higher correlation, which is what we expect. And then the next two rows are correlations with previous measures of object attachment. So that's demonstrating good convergent validity. And then finally, we had good test-retest reliability when we administered the measure 2 weeks later. So our correlation coefficients are around 0.8 or above, which is great. And yeah, that's essentially all I have for you today. So our new measure is called the Object Attachment Security Measure, or the OASM, or in short, you can just call it the AWESOME measure. So yeah, we measured secure and insecure attachment. And yeah, I am happy to take any questions you might have. And thank you for listening.